Tonight, heavy rains and high winds could pack a punch in Central Florida tomorrow. First Warning meteorologist Marquise Mita has been tracking the slight chance of severe weather. Marquise.
Michelle, you are correct. All are on the table tomorrow. The heavy rains, the strong and potentially severe downpours, maybe even leading to the chance for flash flooding. And we can't rule out the opportunity for a tornadic spin up. Hail is going to be an impact that we're watching out for tomorrow as well. As the rain starts actually rather early, you'll see those first few showers come in, but this severe threat that's going to be taking place in the afternoon and across the evening. Some of those showers are rising from the south as we speak. Not a lot of energy behind it now, but tomorrow as temperatures return to the low and the mid 80s, that is only going to increase the instability. You see how widespread this shade of green is going to be. I do believe across the I-4 and I-95 corridor, that's where we're going to expect these stronger downpours and also the faster, potentially damaging winds as the threat for showers increases throughout the afternoon and is still going to linger into the evening. We've got a couple showers just east of I-95, though, just into the Atlantic coastline, but to our south, here's where the rain is starting to come in over the last hour. We've seen some isolated showers in Polk County rising from the south across Polk City, Winter Haven, Yeehaw Junction, and Kenansville in Osceola County. And we'll have much more rain over the next 24 hours, potentially putting an end to the deficit, the dry march that we've had here in Central Florida. But too much rain could potentially be a bad thing with that threat for flooding. I'll be taking a closer look coming up in the next 15 minutes.